Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Krita, and I'll show today how to split the image with different colors onto layers, and each of them will have one color only. Okay, let's open the picture, the image, and we see here some colors. And I'll go to layer, find split layer. And here I will not touch anything, everything is okay, just click on apply. You see this small window on the bottom, it shows what percentage of the work was done already. 70. Okay, so you see here there are not 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, but more because there are shadows. We have dark red, not very dark red, a lot of layers. So I'm doing the background not visible in order to show you how it works. You see, each layer one color, but there are a lot of layers. If you want to do it more roughly, let's go back, let's do it again, but after clicking split layer, I'll change the fuzziness, I'll increase it. Let it be something like 50. And now apply. It's done faster. No, much layers is better. So background not visible, and here you see it's like one layer, one color. That's it. Thank you. Bye.